In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add social media buttons on WordPress.com. It's a great way to connect your website visitors with your social media presence and encourage interaction. Let's dive right in and walk through the process together step by step. First, to begin, you need to log into your WordPress.com account. Head over to your preferred web browser, and in the search bar, type WordPress.com login. Once you've reached the login page, enter your credentials and log into your account. If you haven't recently visited your WordPress dashboard, now's the time. Once logged in, navigate to your WordPress dashboard by simply typing http localhost WordPress p-admin into the URL bar. This is essentially your command center for all things regarding your WordPress site. Once you're in your dashboard, locate the Plugins option in the sidebar menu. Click on it, and this will take you to the Plugins Management page. Plugins are a fantastic way to enhance your site's functionality. Now you need to add a new plugin. So go ahead and click on Add New. This action will direct you to a page where you can browse and search for various plugins. In the search box, type Social Share. This will display various plugins related to social sharing features you might add to your site. One of the most popular and user-friendly options available is the AddToAny Share Buttons plugin. Once it appears in the search results, click on it to see more details about the plugin. Next, click on the Install Now button. This triggers WordPress to download and install the plugin files to your site. Once the installation process is complete, the option to activate the plugin will appear. Click on the Activate button to enable the plugin on your site. Activation is crucial because it turns on the plugin so you can start using it right away. After activation, you'll want to configure the settings for the AddToAny Share buttons. Head back to the sidebar menu and click on Settings. You should see AddToAny listed within the Settings options. Click on it to get started with setting up your social sharing buttons. Here you'll find a variety of options to customize which social media icons appear and how they're displayed on your site. If you wish to add more icons or customize further, look for the plus icon and make the necessary adjustments. Once you have everything set up to your liking, be sure to save your changes by clicking the Save Changes button. Congratulations! You've now successfully added and configured social media buttons on your WordPress.com site. This will help you seamlessly integrate your social media presence with your website, encouraging visitor interaction, and helping to grow your online community. Thank you for watching, and happy blogging!